Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kwanya and I cover on this channel all things natural hair care and holistic health. So today I'm going to be talking with you about something that is a must-have in my life, and that is a diffuser. If you're not familiar with what a diffuser is, let's talk about it, okay? A diffuser is kind of like a plastic or wooden object where you can add water and add essential oils, and it will diffuse it out into your space, your home office, work office, in your home, in your room, whatever, so that you can breathe it in, and it just creates a whole mood. Like for me, I use them to regulate my moods as I go through a lot of different shifts throughout the day. For the most part, I'm a pretty calm person. I do a lot of things to keep me calm. Okay, I do breathing techniques. I sometimes will separate myself from high energetic environments just to regroup. So a diffuser is something that is a must-have for me because it just helps me. I usually will plug my diffuser up in the morning and use an essential oil to help waken me up for the day, and then in the evening, after I am just tired from everything I've done, or if I just feel overwhelmed, I will put a different oil in it so I can breathe that in, and it can help me to regulate my mood. So I'm going to show you the one I have. This is my second diffuser that I'm going to show you today that I have ever had. They last a pretty long time if you take care of them. So when it comes to my first diffuser, my kids got a hold of it. Yeah, sometimes letting your kids borrow your stuff is just a huge no-no. Some things you just need to be just your things. And what I did was my babies were feeling kind of unwell, and so I put my diffuser in the living room and used a blend called Breathe Easy to go out into the atmosphere so that they can breathe in this essential oil. So it did its job in helping them, but they got their hands on it and the rest is history. So I'm going to show you the one that I have now. I have already unboxed it, but I did save the box. It looks like this. This from Walmart. Okay, I shop at Walmart. I know a lot of people feel like you have to go above and beyond these money-saving areas to get what you need. Well, you don't. They work just as well. This particular one came with this small diffuser as well as with 2 pure essential oils. This came up to, I believe, like $23–24. Walmart does have a variety of diffusers that you can choose from. I know they have some that look wooden on the outside, like bamboo. They have some that change colors. My last diffuser changed colors, and it was okay. Sometimes my mood, I didn't care for the flashing of the colors. But colors can also alter your mood, get you out of that funky space to an upbeat space, or get you from a very high anxiety space to a more calming space. So I have it here to show you. It's a little bitty cutie thing, looks like a little robot. Has a plug. The cord is a pretty good length. I keep this on my nightstand. And the lid here comes off, and that's the hole where the oil would be diffused. Very simple, just 2 pieces. And what I do is I put water in here. There's a water level mark inside of here, and you will most likely see that in the one that you purchase. And you just want to fill your water up to that water level mark. It may say water level or max, something like that. Fill it up to there with water, and then you will add whatever essential oil of your choice. So after you do that, plug it in the wall. There is one button, nothing complicated. I just hit that button, and this goes for 3 hours. Y'all, I promise you, I feel like this goes for longer than 3 hours. I remember turning this on one night, and then I woke up wee hours of the morning to take a restroom break, and it was still going. I'm like, it's like 5 hours later, isn't it? I don't know, but this one says it will run 3 hours. So the amount of oil that you put in there, I usually do 3 to 5 drops of oil. Anything more than that could be very, very strong. It may run you out of the room. I do know that when I put my oils in there, I do lavender, I do 5 drops, and by the time I get up the hallway from my bedroom, I can smell the lavender in the hallway. So more than 5 drops would probably be a little too much. More than 5 drops would probably be a little too much. So I have some oils here I'm going to show you. This. And on this one it says Harmony. So this is one I use a lot. It calms me, it centers me. When I wake up in the morning, I have a lot on my plate that can sometimes overwhelm me right away. When I get into those modes, I go ahead and start my diffuser. And this particular blend has lemon, which is really, really good. That citrus scent is really good for uplifting and getting you going. It gives you that it's okay feel, very uplifting. It has orange, bergamot, lime, and grapefruit. So this is usually the one I run in the day. And then here is an immunity one, and this one has a combination of clove, tea tree, eucalyptus. Just like I stated, I use the eucalyptus in my blend. So, well, not my blend, but I use it in a blend form. It has rosemary, frankincense, lemon, and oregano. So with these particular oils, it does say that you could use this on your skin, but you need to dilute it, and that goes back to what I was just talking about with being sure not to put these directly on the body. Now, have I ever put it directly on my body? Yes, but not by, I didn't do it, you know. At the time, I had an ex, and I was like, hey, do you mind massaging my shoulders? And they had no knowledge of how to mix these things up, and went and tried to massage my shoulders, and next thing I know, I felt them putting dots of essential oil on my back, and went to rub my shoulders, and they were on fire. Okay, no, I do not recommend using any essential oil unless it's already diluted. It states it's diluted. Put your plug this in my wall here. You can use sink water, but I have this water bottle here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going to fill this to the max line that is inside. Alright, that's done. And like I say, in the day, I don't want to diffuse anything that's going to make me sleepy because I have work to do. So I'm going to be putting Harmony inside. With Harmony, I'm going to do about 4 drops. Alright, so now I just have a combination of the water and the essential oil in there. I'm going to place my top back on here like so. Okay, on the back it has a warning for me that says do not overfill. Also has it in Spanish. And then from there I push this button, and the light lights up. And as you can see it coming out there. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you use a diffuser or any type of oils, let me know in the comment section what type of oils you like to use to help you with your mood. And like I say, my favorite are Harmony from the Guru Nanda brand to get me going in the day, and my favorite to wind me down at night is Lavender. So what's some of your favorites? Let me know. Until next time, everyone, love and light.